Here are 5 proven health benefits of walnuts backed by research. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Walnuts are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E, melatonin, and polyphenols found in the skin. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. 2. Promote heart health. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which can reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Regular walnut consumption is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Support brain function. Walnuts are often called brain food for a reason. Their high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3, and polyphenols have been linked to improved cognitive function, memory, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Aid in weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, walnuts can aid in weight management. Their high protein, healthy fat, and fiber content promote satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. 5. Improve gut health. Walnuts act as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, immunity, and reduced risk of inflammation-related conditions. Would you like more details or recipe ideas to include walnuts in your diet? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.